Hey, what up my cruisers? Thank you for tuning in to another video. In this how-to video, I'll be showing you how to change your gear or differential oil, and specifically in an 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser. This may work in other vehicles as well, but this is specifically for an 80 series 97 Toyota Land Cruiser or an LX 450. So I'll be showing you how I change my gear oil. All you need is a little bit of elbow grease, a 24mm socket, and a socket wrench. That's basically all you need, and a little tube, and I'll show you how I use it all. Alright. Things first, guys. You're going to want to use a 24mm if you're going to change your differential fluid or gear oil. So as you can see, these are both 24mm. But the one you're going to use is, you're going to want to use this one. Just look at the edges. This one is like, I don't know what kind of one this is called. If you know, comment down below. But you're going to want to use this one, because if you use this one, it might strip your bolt. And I'll show you in a second. So if you're not going to be able to get that off. This one, it sits right on it. It's right here. Oh, nope. There you go. Whew. Broke it loose. Whew. Broke it loose, guys. Oh, okay. That thing came loose. I don't know if I broke the bolt yet. Here goes none. It's gonna come out now. Ooh. Bruh. Yeah, that doesn't look too good. Yeah. It's a little on the worn side, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain the bottom one too. Oh. Ah. Oh, there we go. It's coming off now. Whew. That was some force. Let's drain this part. Oh, there you go. Whew. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's coming out now. Shorty thickums. According to the factory service manual, it's supposed to put around 2.75 to 2.8 quarts, so just under 3 quarts. I don't know if I have 3 quarts. I might have shot myself in the foot right there, so. If you don't know how much to put in, I would just suggest filling it up until it starts spilling out. But we have this little contraption here, so I just have a little soap dispenser hose. Hook it on top of the synthetic gear oil. Because you know, gravity's against us. It's hard to pour it in here unless you're like at an elevated angle, so you have to put the tube in from probably here. But to make it easier, we're just gonna use this. And then we're just gonna pump the fluid out into here. And you can see it going in. It's going in now. We're just gonna do that. Pump all this fluid in here. Don't forget, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like this video, so I can keep making more videos like this. My pump broke, so what I gotta do is I gotta use gravity So we use gravity to put that in there. Oh, looks like it's full now. See when we pull this out. Yeah, see that's coming out right there? So you know. I'll close it right now. Should be enough in there. Okay. So my pump broke, so if that happens, you can just fill it up from here. That's why you always got to make sure this is working, otherwise if you open that one and this doesn't open, then you're screwed. You just yeah, that's really not good. Sure, it's tight. It's tight. Okay. One more pass. Yeah. Okay. Should be tight. So if you don't have a spare tire, you can just skip that first part, but just like the front, you're gonna remove the fill and then remove the drain bolt, just in case there's an issue and you can't remove the fill bolt. That way you won't be in a predicament. That's how you take the back one off. See, the back one is a lot better. There ain't that many metal shavings on the top right there, so we're good. This is for here, and this is for the drain plug. We're just gonna use the same gasket. Should be okay. So I went to my local AutoZone. You can probably get this at Walmart, Amazon, you know, O'Reilly's Auto Parts. But I had to get a new pump because my old one broke, if you saw earlier. So just like the front, we're going to fill it up this way with the pump and pump in the new fluid. So I already put 3 bottles in, 3 1/4 bottles. So there's 3 quarts of differential fluid in there. So we're gonna put a little bit more. I think it's 0.8, fill it up. But once it comes out of here, then you'll know it's full, all right? So you're gonna put around a little bit more in the rear. You're gonna put around 3.8 quarts. I maybe put a little bit more, but I just made sure to tighten it real well. Then I cleaned it down, and then you're pretty much done with the differential oil change. So there you have it. I'm by no means a mechanic, but you know, I like to do things on my own from time to time. So I feel like this is a simple and easy way to change your gear oil. And again, thank you for watching. Like and comment. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.